Well, welcome to Brad Allen Drums. Today I'm going to talk with you about drumsticks. Specifically, we're going to talk about Vic Firth drumsticks because those are the ones I'm the most familiar with. Today I'm going to show you what I feel are the best drumsticks for beginners. Then we'll talk about the best drumsticks for jazz and other styles as well. By the way, if you are new to this channel, I am Brad Allen. I'm a professional drummer based out of Kansas City who also spent over 20 years teaching private drum lessons, and now I'm doing my best to pass along all that knowledge to you. Okay, the first thing I'd like to say, if you just bought a drum set and you're a beginning drummer, if you had some drumsticks that came along with your drum set, those are fine to use when you're getting started. It really doesn't make that much difference in the very beginning. But when you get a little more serious about developing control of your playing, what I recommend is getting some really good drumsticks. I recommend Dave Weckl's Vic Firth Signature Series drumsticks. And I'll put links to these series in the notes below. So these are extremely versatile sticks. They have plenty of weight for practicing rudiments and stick control and getting a nice bounce off a practice pad or snare drum, but they're also light enough so they won't slow you down on the drum set. These are a good medium weight stick, which is why I like them for beginners. Along with the sticks I recommend for beginners, I also recommend these sticks for most styles of drumming. They're good for big band drumming, they're good for jazz rock fusion, blues, funk, country, and even rock. Now, one caveat I would say is they're not for extremely loud rock drummers. I personally have never broken a pair of these while playing, but you will break them if you're the type of player who really pounds on the drums. You know, if your favorite drummers are are heavy metal drummers, for instance, or something like that. But for most styles, including rock, they work just great. Now for smaller jazz groups, trios, quartets, etc., I recommend Vic Firth SD4 Combo American Custom Maple Wood Tip drumsticks. To me, they're simply the best drumsticks for straight ahead acoustic jazz. Just beware that most drummers will find them too light and fragile for other styles of music. You will also find these do take some getting used to if you've never played with sticks this small. But once you get used to them, they're absolutely fantastic, the absolute best in my opinion. Finally, I'd like to say a few things about Vic Firth drumsticks in general. I've been using their sticks exclusively for many years now. Every pair I've ever owned has been perfectly made. I've never found a pair that was warped. They're perfectly pitch matched so that when you pick up a pair, each stick in the pair sounds exactly the same. Both of these aspects are very important when it comes to learning to play smooth rolls and learning to play fast. So I highly recommend that you give them a try. Now, as a thank you for watching today, I do have a gift that I'd like to send you absolutely free. I have 10 of the best exercises that I've created for speed that I'd like to send you. And these are the same exercises that helped my student Matthew Lam win a fastest hands drumming competition 2 years in a row. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below to receive these exercises absolutely free. And I'll see you for my next video.